Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This, if you have not still recognized yet, is the drumstick plant. Drumsticks are said to contain 92 kinds of nutrients, 18 amino acids, 14 antioxidants and 9 essential amino acids. And we can use the leaves to make tasty nutritious greens or flavor some curries. And after all these reasons, now you know why we should have a drumstick tree in our own garden. And it is not even that hard to grow these drumstick trees in pots. And those who used to watch us know that we had a drumstick tree that we grew in a pot. And we grew it in our old rooftop garden. But that got destroyed due to the construction work. So we are trying to grow this again this year. It's been 1 year since we planted this plant from seeds. Last time also we planted it from seeds and it took 2 years to grow. As you know, we do organic gardening. That means we only give organic fertilizers. Till now, my mom has only given kitchen waste compost to this plant. And believe me or not, but due to this heat stress, most of our plants are dying. But this plant is still healthy. Right now, my mom is pinching a little bit so that it gets more lateral branching and becomes more bushier. As I told before, drumstick is a low maintenance tree requiring very less water and fertilizer. However, it has a very brittle stem. But that is not much of a problem. But the real problem comes when the flowering arrives. Because in that time, there is a lot of pest attacks. In those times, you can spray some bioenzyme on the plant or give some neem oil. It will help prevent all the pests. Now at last, let me tell you some simple tips. First, let me tell you about the sunlight. Choose a spot that receives 5 to 7 hours of direct sunlight. And the soil must be a sandy and a well-draining soil. Also, don't forget to water moderately when the plant is young and reduce the frequency of watering once the plant establishes full roots into the soil. Now let me tell you about the fertilizer. My mom does organic gardening. Well, during this time, my mom does not prefer any kind of fertilizers except kitchen waste compost or some liquid fertilizers. And if you are looking for the pot requirements, then my mom sowed the seed in a 5 inches pot. And when it became a little big, my mom transplanted it into a 12 inches pot. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.